Hey guys, Tank Mosley here with Off Leash Canine Training. This is Kuipers. He's about a 1-year-old pit bull, and he comes to us to our 2-week board and train program. Right now he's looking at dogs and he can't control himself. That's why he's heavy pulling and just got some anxiety, so we're going to work on that. We're going to make him amazing in just 2 weeks right now. Let me show you guys what he knows. Kuipers, come here. Hey, sit, down. Hey, place. All right, so as you can see, I got my work cut out for me. Oh.
is Austin Quave, and this is Leah Whitney. We're here at Cabela's on our pickup day for our boy Typers here. He's done a great job with Tank Mosley as his trainer for off-leash canine. Originally we had some problems around other dogs, and that has obviously been fixed, and he's very obedient now. What do you have to say?
I just am thankful that we get to take him in public places now, because he used to freak out whenever he saw other people and dogs, and now we get to take him to stores with us and to DC and have a good time with him.